everyone, welcome to Light Expertise. I'm Dr. Swadamni Sinha and today we have with us Richa. Hi Richa, welcome to Light Expertise and congratulations on clearing your KAPS exam. How are you feeling?
Hey, Sudhamini, thank you for asking. So, I'm feeling over the moon at this point. It's been like 7 or more than that days that results are out, and I'm still feeling really happy and amazing.
Okay, so what is your educational background? Where did you complete your B Pharm, M Pharm or PharmD from?
Yeah, so I have completed my Bachelor's of Pharmacy from Chartered University from Gujarat, India. And I've migrated over here in Australia to do my master's. So I'm doing Masters of Global Public Health in Griffith University here in Brisbane. So yeah, it's been like 1.5 years that I've came here, and yeah, did the cabs, and here I am.
Okay, so why did you choose Australia for your future and how did you come in contact with the Light Expertise?
Yeah, so why Australia is like, I feel like Australia always gives good opportunities to pharmacists, so that's why I've chosen it. And the day I've decided that I wanted to migrate to Australia, I was searching and exploring through my phone that how to do it and how to get registered over there. And I got to know that I have to clear the CAPS examination. So I was just searching for a good academy to join. And one of your alumni came contact with me from university, and he told me that this is the best coaching academy that you could do, and he has also cleared the exam July 2023. So I was like, okay, let me join it. And yeah, so I've joined it and it's been an amazing experience.
Okay, so what was your strategy to clear your KAPS exam?
Yeah, so I feel like, so as an international student, I didn't get time to, see or watch the live lectures and stuff. So I used to watch the recorded ones, and I used to watch it just one time because I didn't have time to, go through each and every lecture 3 times. But what I was doing that after listening to the lecture, I used to do the notes. So I used to have my notes with me all the time. So as in when, I'm traveling or something, I can just refer to that and I don't have to go back to the lectures again and again. So, yeah, that was my strategy, I would say. So, that's it. And I was doing the mocks after completing all the topics. So, yeah, that could work. So, people can also, yeah, do that as well. Yeah.
Okay. Since your senior has suggested you to come in Elite, but
Yeah.
now you have already completed about 2 months or 3 months with us. What do
Yeah.
you feel about Elite Expertise now? What is your experience with Elite?
Yeah, so I feel like both the teachers are the best teachers one could ever ask for. So the concept that they teach, it's like something so unique. They always incorporate all of the real-time case scenarios and case studies. So it could really help anyone. And the way they teach, and they have got a lot of patience, I would say, because I just remember when ma'am was teaching calculations, and she was explaining 3 times each and every calculation, and still someone has got any doubts, they can always reach out to her, and she'll always happy to solve them again and again. So I would say they are the best ones, and you can just approach them without even hesitating. So I feel like, yeah, they are the best. And even the whole team is so helpful, and they are just ready to help you at any time. So yeah, the whole team and my experience was amazing and great. I would recommend each and everyone whomsoever wants to, become a registered pharmacist in any country. I would say Australia, be it Australia or Canada, they could easily go and reach out to you guys, and that's perfect.
Okay, thank you so much, Richa. My last question to you is, and we have many students who are international students, I mean to say, who are in Australia and who are
Yeah,
students, plus they are preparing for CAPS. Even you are
yeah,
one of them. You are studying, you are doing your assignments, you prepared for your CAPS and you qualified it.
yeah.
What would you suggest them, specifically them? Like, what would you tell them, all the international students who are struggling in Australia, being a student and want to clear CAPS? What do you want to tell them?
Yeah, so I would say that it is hard journey, to be very honest, because you have to do each and everything by yourself. You have to manage your part time. jobs and assignments, and as well as you have to study for the caps. So in the beginning I was also skeptical about it, that would I be able to crack it or no, and what gonna happen. And but I was like, no, just let me just give it to a go. And I was trusting our teachers, and you just have to trust the process, I feel like. So just listen to the lectures, just trust the process, and do mock simultaneously. So I would say, you have to, if you have to reach somewhere, you have to do something or the other. So it's just some or the other time you have to, snatch from your busy schedule, and just make sure that you're listening each and every lectures, because all of the lectures are really really important. So do not miss a single point, and always keep noting down all of the important points that could really help, and you can just go through them once while you are, doing your revisions. So that could perfectly fine. And after completing each and every topic, you have to appear for the mock. So it's gonna help you a lot, and your all of the concepts will be like cleared it out by then. So that would be my thing. And I would say, just trust our teachers, they are the best. You are in safe hands, and you will gonna say that you have chosen the best academy and best people. So yeah, just do work hard and stay consistent and motivated. That's the only thing I would say lastly. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Richa, and all the very best for your future. And we hope to see you soon. Become a registered pharmacist completely, since you are already in
Yeah.
Australia. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you so much,
hopefully.
Richa, and all the very best. Bye
Thank you so
bye.
much.
Take care.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.